Welcome to the channel Seek Show. This is another video on Oneplus7T smartphone. I'm going to show you all the settings of the Oneplus7T smartphone using a separate video. Okay, let's get started, but before that, please remember to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Let's get started. Right. Okay, you can see the Oneplus7T smartphone. This is really amazing that I have been using this phone for weeks. And this is the settings that I wanted to show you. I have already enabled I have customized the colors, right? So just be patient, right? These are the things you can see. I quickly show you. If you are OnePlus fan, if you are hoping to get a Oneplus7T smartphone, these are the things of the settings that you must see. Wi-Fi and internet, Bluetooth and device connection, display, customization and sound and vibration, button and gestures, apps and notifications, security and lock screen, privacy, location, battery, storage, cloud data, accounts, digital well-being and parental controls, and Google services and preferences, utilities, system, and about phone. If you go to about phone, you can see Snapdragon 855 plus 8GB RAM and 256 ROM, 48 megapixel, 16 and 12 megapixel triple camera setup in the front. You can see, right? And so those are the things. Then we will go to the one by one. Wi-Fi and internet settings. I feel sorry, just want to show you, right? Wi-Fi and internet. Hope you can see. And Bluetooth device and connect. All these settings are under the Oneplus7T smartphone with latest Android 10. And display, you can see the screen refresh rate 90 Hz. This is really smooth, right? Really smooth. You can see how smooth the Oneplus7T with 90 Hz display. Right, you can change it into 60 Hz, but you have to be alert. You have to know if you set Oneplus7T for 90 Hz display, your battery will drop quickly somewhat when compared to the 60 Hz. Definitely, of course, with the 90 Hz display you can use a day, but if you set to 60 Hz, definitely you will be able to use at least around 2 days, definitely, for the light users. Sleep and calibration, screen refresh rate, night mode, reading mode, video enhancer, ambient display, font size, status bar. These are the settings under the status bar. Icon manager, you can set icons, right? And screen saver is also available, auto rotate screen. And let's go to the customization. You can definitely manually customize all the things. Hope you have already seen these things. Preset themes are available, and sound vibration, some other things are available, right? Many things. Maximum customization. Security and lock screen, patterns, pins, fingerprints, facial unlock, smart unlock, many other things are available. Permission, you can separately change the permissions that given by the Oneplus7T phone with latest Android 10. Activity controls are available. Usage and diagnostics, location, battery, you can see the battery details here, right? And you can manually optimize all the apps, right? Or there is an intelligent mode also, intelligent control, which automatically adjusts the background power strategy according to app characteristics and your usage, right? That is very much useful. And let's go to cloud service. You can see the cloud service I don't use for now. And accounts are available. Digital well-being and parental control. This is very useful feature that you must use You can check your usage, how many times that you have unlocked and how many notifications you have received your phone. So you can control the if you are a mobile addicted, if you have an addiction, right? Google, utilities, quick launch, app locker, scheduled, power off, power on, many other things are available under this OnePlus 7T phone. System settings, right? About phone you have already see. So okay, right, that's all for today. I just wanted to show you all the settings comes with this OnePlus 7T phone. This is really amazing phone. You don't need to worry if there is any other drawbacks. Those are software failures, not failures, software mistakes. They will be covering up all the issues that I have mentioned in the below link. Just go check it and hit a like for my video and subscribe. Share this video with your friend and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Good day for you.